Hi, everyone. My name is Dr. Asher Beckwith, and I am here to tell you about a really exciting program called AILYZE. If you haven't heard of it, it is a revolutionary program for qualitative researchers. So, just to give you a little bit of background about me, I have been a qualitative researcher now for over 24 years, and I have worked on over 5,000 qualitative research projects. And I have been waiting for something like AILYZE to come out for years. I have actually been dreaming about it. I should have probably invented it, but I didn't have the skill set. So let me dig right in and let's jump in and I'll show you all about this program. So first, let me share my screen. So if you go to www.AILYZE.com, you will come to the homepage. And this is the AI tool for qualitative research. And I can tell you, I have been scoping out these AI tools for quite some time now, for over a year, and trying to figure out which one works best. I've used chat, and then I've checked out some of like the more standard ones like in Vivo and Atlas TI. And in fact, for years, I've been using those types of programs. And what I finally found was AILYZE. And while in Vivo and Atlas TI have come very, very far in terms of doing things and their functionality in some ways is more in depth, the AI lies and this component of it, the AI component of it, is much more in depth with this program. So first, let me just scroll down here, not to make you guys dizzy, but I want to talk to you a little bit about this data security. So one of the things that I have been very concerned about as a qualitative researcher is using something like chat with my data because it has open access and I don't want to violate any kind of confidentiality of my participants. And so one of the things that has been wonderful, and I have been scoping this out for quite some time, is that AI Lies does not share data with an open system. So while other qualitative softwares do share the data with the open system, and they also use the your data to train their system, which can also run into some kind of problems, AILYZE does not. Here is their data security policy. You will see that they are compliant with HIPAA and that also they are compliant with GDPR, as well as they have a bunch of other things down here that they comply with, like ISO certification, which is really important for government researchers. And right here, it states your data will not be used to train our AI models. And our service is entirely over HTTPS with API applications and endpoints. So this has been a very important piece for me, is this data security piece, because I want to make sure that my data is safe and secure and is not going to be shared with the rest of the world. All right. So now let's dig in. And one of the nice things about AI Lives is that you can actually try it out and you can do some really cool basic functions for free. So if you go up to try AI Lives here, light, and you go to the basic analysis, you will come up right here. It's going to ask you automatically to upload your file, and you can see the different file types that it has here. And so I went ahead and I created some sample data just for this demo so that you guys could see it. And so I took a couple of made up paragraphs from people who had undergone breast cancer, and these are completely made up stories, and so that I could load it into here. So let's go ahead and grab our file. So it's right here. And so you just select it and then it uploads. And then here you can see that there's a bunch of different types of analyses. So let's go ahead and we're going to explore each one of these. So first, you can ask it just to summarize this. So if we say summarize, then you can come down here and it's going to give you multiple options. So you can summarize it in like an essay kind of format, which is beautiful because you can take that and you can incorporate that into your write-up, or you can also do it in bullet points. So let's go ahead and we're going to try essay. And then it has some optional instructions down here. So you can get an individual summary of each document. So if you're looking at multiple transcripts, you can also do the language response. You can also ask it for length of response. And so you can say like short, medium, or long. And then just to back up here real quick, it has a bunch of different languages that you can also put into here. So for this video, we're going to stick with English because I am not well versed in other languages, to be honest. And then you can say some specific instructions down here. So for example, you can say like focus on convenience and cost, or I was looking at some data the other day and I wanted it to use the pseudonym Judy as opposed to the real person's name. So I said use Judy instead of the real person's name, and it did. So let's go ahead and we're going to do this essay and then we're going to go ahead and hit submit. And then if you give it just a few minutes to process, then here's your response. It's really cool. So you can see like the introduction, it talks to you about the interviews and with free breast cancer survivors. And these are, again, fake people. I'm using breast cancer because I've been doing cancer research for a very long time. And so it's kind of near and dear to my heart. And then it talks about, how they're dealing with their diagnoses and their treatment approaches and significant challenges. And then it breaks it out, which is so cool. So these people are all in one document, but you can also separate them out into multiple documents. I just put all the samples of folks into one document for this demonstration. So here you can read about Sarah's journey and that it began 3 years ago. She discovered a lump in her breast, those kinds of things. And then Lisa's journey and Jennifer's journey. And then it has a nice conclusion where it really like wraps everything up for you. So what is totally cool about this is if you say are doing some market research and you just need to know what's coming up and you need to have it in a narrative form, well, you can very easily utilize this to produce that. If you're doing more academic research, you can also utilize this to provide a summary to, let's say, introduce this person and then go back and capture some additional quotes. So let's go and actually ask it real quick to insert some quotes. Okay. So I'm just going to say identify important quotes. Okay. And I'm going to say submit. And then here we have the whole context and it provides us with the context of the quotes. So like, for example, it tells us like each survivor shares their unique journey of battling breast cancer, highlighting the emotional and physical challenges they faced during treatment. And then it says like Sarah's journey began with the discovery of a lump in her breast, right? And then what we can do is we can come down here and we can see here's Sarah's journey and when she discovered that lump in her breast. She said it was a terrifying moment, but I immediately scheduled an appointment with my doctor. And then we can see the quotes for Lisa and for Jennifer. And then it'll explain down here that the quotes really are talking about that shock of diagnoses and the emotional roller coaster of treatment and uncertainty of going through this process. Then you can also come up here, if you scroll back up, you can ask a specific question. So for example, like how do participants feel when they are diagnosed? And then again, you have some options here. So you can expand out those length of responses or the languages or other types of things that we've already gone through. And let's just go ahead and hit submit. So then here, it gives you the sample quotes. Again, the news was devastating, but I knew I had to stay strong for myself and my loved ones, right? And it also gives you the surrounding context around that, which is just so amazing. So literally, you can just take it and copy and paste it from here and pop it straight into a Word file. Now, as always, with anything AI, and this is critically important, you must validate this against the data. So make sure to read through your data, make sure that this is actually what is being generated and the important things that are coming out of your data. I cannot highlight or express that enough. So let's go up and let's look at some other options here. You could also do a thematic analysis. So we want to know what those themes are. And again, you can do the optional instructions here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and hit submit. So here, and this is absolutely just mind-boggling, right? Because we would spend hours, and I can't tell you how many hours, and like, I feel like part of my soul has been, extracted into coding and really just being with my data and spending hours upon hours and months upon months just coding and coding and coding data to get to these themes, and like in a matter of seconds, which just totally blows my mind. Here are your themes. Again, validate this against the data and make sure that this is truly the themes. These are truly the themes. But here we'll see like theme 1, emotional impact of diagnosis and treatment. And then it'll talk about that. And then it'll give you examples. Like, for example, Sarah shared that discovering the lump in her breast was a terrifying moment, while Lisa described her diagnosis as a shock to her system. Right? Then we can come down here, and then they talked about the emotional challenges, which AILYZE put underneath this emotional impact of diagnoses and treatment. And then we have support systems as our theme number 2. And then let's say we want to add some quotes to these themes. So here we go. Identify important quotes that correspond to each theme. So think about this for a second. Think about how much time you spend going through, coding your data, reading, trying to even pull out quotes, reading through those quotes, and then having to summarize it all and then be able to report out those quotes. That can take hours. And with AILYZE, you can see here that just took a matter of seconds. So here we have our nice theme, our nice quotes, and everything all packed in one. And we can continue to expand on this. So AILYZE offers many different types of platforms and strategies and all kinds of ways to be able to access an inquiry into your data. And it does it all in just seconds versus having your life spent coding and analyzing your data. So there's these different tiers. So you can just start off with this basic analysis. And then if you want, you can do more advanced analyses where you can break out things and do more of the comparisons and more in-depth kinds of analyses. And they also now offer, which is very interesting, an AI interviewer. So if you are not in a position where you would like to do the interview, this AI interviewer can actually do the interview for you. And it is programmed in such a way that if it asks certain questions and someone responds, then it will also even ask sub questions and all kinds of follow-ups. So if you are as sold on AILYZE as I am, please, 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 in the description below, go to AILYZE and go ahead and log in and register, and you can use my special promo, which is DR Asher, ASHER. So it's DR, no period, Dr. Asher with no period, and enter that in to the promo code, and you will receive 55% off for your first 3 months. So please, I hope you're as excited as I am. Feel free to leave any comments below, and I am more than happy to answer them to the best of my ability. And I hope that your qualitative journey and coding journey is now going to be revolutionized. Thank you.